Umajumuliro Ndizi TV nandi nechinga kichini kukwale na SMS yetu ya magana mayeri ngomanyi na lero twandika kugusangira kuru lya kete kaboni ganene tutara kwenu ikase kigambira kerana keria Supreme Court egaduro jinande na baira ni session ya maragoba anene kerwa endete gukora mangendo kirima ikanda sumu nubike nyambero no pre-trial conference seritko dalero edikubeka machiko ngakekine kiuchiko gendera sama tukata no abere ale bosio kurende teturanyora ali twanya rito gusangira kuru lya kete wikaboniga yora sense meyo mu bimanyerero niga kurukwa Joshua Neriane Brighton Makori. Ekerekina keriye kwa merio bachori bw'umwaka uyu igane na sekero ekenene gya chakari tkurero asense merio sasa ensemo ya Supreme Court asense meria mirimani nigo litkurero abawakiri ao abawakiri naba raigo seba justice bali bago jikora ikine kibakira na sense merio bakorawa na justice Martha Koome nigo babe kama chiko na marawa aliara chikubatiwa anene kerekine kyuke uchikogendera sikotegererwa na kuligerirwa sekoti tedranya tumanyena na kimata komanya ka ukwana abuma mpema na andekerwa uchikokwana aseke bosaseke minanekyo bono marogoba.
We received 25 preliminary issues in form of interlocutory applications. We have been able to dispose of all those preliminary issues and delivered rulings online, which I believe you are still reading and internalizing. After we dealt with the preliminaries, 2 petitions were struck out. Petition number petition number E006 and petition number E009 were struck out, and the rulings were delivered together with the media summary showing the reasons why they were struck out. So we are left with 7 petitions, and the court has considered the 7 petitions which emanate from the same presidential election which was held on the 9th of August 2022. So upon perusing and considering the issues raised in the following petitions, E001, E002, E003, E004, E005, E007, and E008 of 2022, and the respondents thereto, we find that all those petitions raise similar issues and seek similar orders. Therefore, we order that petitions numbers E001, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, and 8 of 2022 be and are hereby consolidated with petition number E005 of 2022, which is designated as the read presidential election petition for 2022.
Ekere kigambire kunali kwiranire bikaro byaye bono marogoba kurenda abuma pema ose ditkodia dirjiza cyamugambia bali baikirana sense me yumbanya raba kurwe birengerero byabo aho na kubuli kigambiro na hali baganeti gichikora ekero bagojigo kwana chingwana asenseme yusekero bagochikwegerera na ukwanda bali bakwegerera ase ekina ekyo konende Charles Njama oyinero rumugwakiri bwenseme yunanyaraka ukwana na kubolia kune kigambiro kinyareke wanjira bali bwato manya sensemeri ya ICT eriko na barabukubekarenwa ase kinekyo no ene kremero biri uchikogendera na barabanyara bakoreta oroboti rwabo.
Charles Njama for the ICT professionals who've been admitted as amici. I have also two requests to make to the court. One is that in respect of the scrutiny that will be taking place, that the amici whose assistance to the court is to give independent observation of the election technology be allowed to participate and also be allowed thereafter to prepare and present their own independent report so that they can effectively assist the court. Second, in relation to the technology affidavits that have been filed late in the last 2 days, the amici in their initial report had responded to the initial technology affidavit so that they could give an independent perspective from ICT professionals who would request that they also be granted leave so that they can supplement that report by also responding to the subsequent technology affidavits which this court is considering whether to admit. That is all.
Hayo nara akorekana asikambere kikurindega kuchaka korekana nara senseme ya karuturo ni kwaende kwirobedi association ya bona marogo bantu chukwire ya mase ya moika sikambere kyo indenya tokuma na ali agenda korekana senseme ya kato skabosio ni gobona barai bedin imeyensi tu ya Kenya banyarire bakubulia ba Kenya koenda ko babatoereru na kuchigwanjera na machibu arachukwa tukuneki kambere kenene hayo akomereri obocholi obokomerino obocholi bumwako ya nene kero Dr. William Ruto anyarire buno murai mochore bwense ya Kenya bakwana nibatebiruna nerebu yaba Kenya kwenda gotwerera na gotwara baremu bunekambiro ngikikora korengana no kubuli kwa Kenya gose korengana na ali barachikonyora ayo botaneti ekina ekyo.
Take this time to thank all Kenyans for upholding peace and calm during this electoral period. It is a manifestation of democratic maturity that is commendable. Let us all continue with this trend, especially in view of the intensive legal discourses that will be happening this week at the Supreme Court. We call on all Kenyans to wait until the Supreme Court processes the petitions, keeping in mind the wisdom of Proverbs chapter 18:17. In a lawsuit, the first to speak seeks right until someone comes forward and cross-examines.
Amate ya mokuru wa sekenyoro kia nyangiri yegotoka egwodi ya Murenda ebunge ya Bonchali ni gobono bago sabobo ko nyikuru sabo Somalia baya eriyo omwana obo munyaruka koendera na masomae ayani gago jamaiga amate yiko baso botakobonene no mwana uyu aboliru chibese cyogo so aseskuru anekeranya alaka kurongeru chase University ya Kisii.
Lieta nkoro kubena nyarangi mumanyi nkoro asekenyoro kia nyangiri ere ime ya Bonchali tigalire chinta kanense miake menge tuetache ire sana ono buna tuatike tuabake na momoro minto yoro komboti aba Samaria aba yabagatoire se skulu ya Ekerumbo eyu ya lenko manyekana buna skulu ye chinta kan tukabe ku ororo abali batoire toro ne batu akanerete fi keregento mbaka shopping bagatutigoro mbaka sai na kolire skulu pomfo ono nimbwene ile kwende skulu lakini timbo atikende games shopping, school fees, keregento tinda nyora na reporting day yarenge date 23 yarenge Tuesday na inje tinda enda bad. Onigento na sabe abanchi abarigeria abali bandigerete munyale gonkonya kende yonsi kero rancha gonkonya na 50 yao kende yonsi na bongo appreciate.
Freddy Mubichi nere omo MCA omo chole wigodi ya Nyaki yegotoka ase county ya Meru maiga yokubwa gwetera ase kiama kia UDA ka ukwane karanya robo buyobo nigatebiruna nigakira abantu bense mibinambe mana soko mwakira chikura sanyora chikura chiri bubere na asanya chikura chiri bubere na emerongibere na isano nemo ase enseme yuekera abwatiwa no yokabere oyonyora chikura eriwe ya mochimikia nde 52 na isano nemo ase enseme yikonende mubichi nigatogirie abantu benseme yanena ase kiama kia UDA kumubwatsia na kuira chikura cha enseme yu.
My name's Frederick Mobichi Kerema. I'm now the acting MCA Nyaki West. Nashukuru sana kwa kila mtu mwenye amekuja hapa, support yenye nimepata kwenu. Ati sasa mpaka saa hizi mimi naona nimepewa certificate kwa MCA elect wa Nyaki West constituency. Nimeshukuru sana na Mungu awabariki, na asante sana kwa viongozi wote wa UDA wale wenye wamekuja na Kenya Kwanza family, na Mungu atatujalia, na wale wenye tulikuwa tunashindana na wao pia nimewashukuru kwa sababu tumekuwa na mashindano yenye ilikuwa na nidhamu na kampeni zetu, na hiyo safari yote tumeenda yenye nafaa na hatujaikuwa na vita, hatujaikuwa na shida yote, na Mungu awabariki na tutaendelea kufanya kazi pamoja.
Abamenyi be county ya Mombasa nigo bagendete gutwara umochengo no mogoko maiga yekiama gia ODM kubwa ikirugo kibugabana ase enseme Yunazir oyunyaraga kubwa ikikura chiekirugo kibugabana ase enseme yu maiga yokonyora chikura 119,083 nigo bono abakenya gosaba menyi benseme banyari bakogokera okubwoku anenekera batebiruna omobwasi miuro moja nigo bagendete gutwara liosa ase enseme yu ya Mombasa.
Swalha Yusuf, the County Returning Officer for Mombasa County, hereby declares that Abdul Samad Sharif Nasir of ID number
Omobunge omojole bwebunge ya Bokot South David Kozing ni gobona nyari nereka kwenyo robobui wetera sekiama gia Kenya Union Party asanyora chikura 28,225 asibo igonera nyari ka wakera bamenyi bense meinembe mono asoko mochora wetera sekiama gia Kenya Union Party asibo nera tebiruna na chikwenda kibina ngore tara magendero asense meyo
na watu wako wote our party leader, our women elect, na wananchi na voters ya Bokot South wote, amjambo tena, and also my colleague Honorable Peko. Mimi ningependa kutoa shukrani zangu sana kwa Mungu. Nashukuru Mungu sana. This was not an election between me and my colleagues, competitors, what competitors. I thank them. I thank Honorable Kaleke through his chief agent. I repeat again to thank my peers, Honorable Peko. And I'll tell them for free, we will work together, my brothers. We will work together. Even as we move forward, I welcome you to work together. The ideas you have, maybe perhaps the ideas I have. So I want to welcome you, my brothers, to work together.
Oyore koriye kirugo kyobugabana ase county ya Kakamega gwetera ase kiama kia NCA yera somo bwa Kenya Kwanza Kirobas Mara nigo bona nyarire kagwanjira na machibu maiga yokubo na Fernandez Palasa asanyaraga kubu chikura gose asanyaraga kubu chikura chenseme yikakwana nigatebiruna chikura nigo cyane kuko myokani kolenda sato gibali banyara bakumyokana barabu ase amoiro koboko parasa abateabuna siasa neri egocha nande yagenda.
Na sisi tumekuja hapa leo haswa mimi kama candidate kusema kwamba nimekubali matokeo ile ambayo imetokezana na ile kura ambayo tulipiga jana. Tumekubali hiyo matokeo sababu katiba yetu inatuambia kwamba uchaguzi utafanywa kila miaka 5 na kutakuwa na mshindi na yule ambaye ameshindwa. So sisi tumekubali matokeo na tumekubali kama vichwa vyetu viko juu kabisa.
Yes.
Kwa sababu tulifanya kila kitu iwezekanavyo, tulikampeni vizuri na tukahakikisha kwamba tumefanya kila kitu ya kutuwezesha kushinda.
Yes.
Lakini kwa mapenzi ya Mwenyezi Mungu yale ambayo imefanyika.
Amen.
Ningependa kuchukua fursa hii kuwapongeza wale wapinzani wangu, Mheshimiwa Fernandez Baraza na Mheshimiwa Ayub Savula. Ningependa kuwapongeza kabisa kwa ile kampeni yenyu ambayo mlifanya, na nyinyi ndio mliibuka ushindi.
Ayo na raye jinsa ikomi kolende gikora gense ya mayabona marono chiko nyora ayo na mange unatwenda kwa sangirili imena isko ya gusi anene kurwa seke kambiro gire kanento chiko te ngaki agendera kurwa sense meri anene kero abakenya na barbagendeta kuganya ningi gyo chokore kana